Hi everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm setting up a Paris themed tablescape on my kitchen island for two, and I would love to give you a tour of what I came up with. I'm a part of a collaboration. It's the Take Me to Paris collaboration hosted by the Divas Dynasty, which consists of 5 beautiful ladies. The host of this particular collaboration is Diva Decorating. Her co-hosts are me, myself, and DIYing it, Cynthia shesobless, Mysterious Alberta, and Lynn's Lifestyle Living. They all have lifestyle channels where they do tablescapes, and like Tammy of me, myself, DIYing it, does a lot of DIYs, and they're all beautiful ladies, and I want to thank them for inviting us to this open collaboration. Now, the objective of this collaboration is to create a Paris theme tablescape. We had to have pink on the table, and we at least had to have an Eiffel Tower represented on the table. So I would love to give you a tour of what I came up with. And so let's get started. I'm going to start first with, I draped my kitchen island with this striped cotton duck, black and white striped cotton duck tablecloth. And then I ran this pink Parisian runner down the middle of the island of the table, and it has an Eiffel Tower on it. In the middle is a mirrored Paris sign with an Eiffel Tower for the A. So I got some Eiffel Towers on this little 2-place setting tablescape. So that's what I came up with, guys, for my Paris theme tablescape. And it's a lot of fun. And I want to thank my current subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much. And I appreciate everyone's support when I changed my channel name. It was a very easy transition. It was like no hiccup at all. You know, everyone embraced it. And I think it works better for what I do. And I want to thank the Divas Dynasty. I want to thank Diva Decorating, me, myself, and DIYing it, Cynthia shesobless, Mysterious Alberta, and Lynn's Lifestyle Living for hosting this collaboration. And if you're new here, I welcome you to, if you wait to the end of this video, my face will pop up. Tap my face and hit that subscribe button, and you'll be subscribed, and hit the bell notification, and that'll let you know when I upload any new content. Alright, so I want to thank you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep rolling. Bye.